Guys, today welcome on my channel, and today I will tell you and explain you on the chapter of biology life processes topic. So let's start. तो हम लोग जानते हैं लाइफ प्रोसेस मीन्स व्हाट. So before starting that, I'll tell you something which is living, something which is living, not dead, is said to be alive. In most simple terms, alive means having. Alive is having life. Alive is called जीवित और जिंदा इन हिंदी. मतलब जो कुछ भी जीवित है, जिंदा है, जो कि मरा हुआ नहीं है, it can move one place to another. I'll just explain you more about that. So we are alive and you are also alive. So those things which are alive are called living things. So which are alive, which are not dead, which can move from here to there, so they are called as alive and also known as living beings or things. So all the plants and animals including human beings human beings which are alive are called living things. So here is saying, now an important question arises: what criteria we do use to decide whether something is alive? This is discussed below. तो जानते हैं हम लोग, चलिए शुरू करते हैं और जानते हैं. So what criteria do we decide whether something is alive or not? So here is given something. So let's understand by the point. The most important criterion to decide whether something is alive or not in the moment something is one of the most important signs of the life in an organism. So all the things which are alive can move themselves without any external help. In some cases the movements of living things are quite fast, so they can move easily observed by, but in the other cases the movements are very slow and hence observed the difficulty. For example, the movements in most of animals are fast and can be observed easily, but the movements in plants are usually slow and observed with difficulty. So this means to say that the movement in the living things, matlab you just think in only Hindi and learn quietly. So simple way to understand this: all the things which are alive, जो कि जीवित हैं और वे एक्सटर्नल हेल्प के मदद से मूव कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी एक्सटर्नल हेल्प. मतलब कि ना मैंने धक्का मारा ना कुछ किया. जैसे एक एग्जांपल आई एम टेलिंग यू, एक स्टोन है तो एक स्टोन को मैंने पुश किया. जैसे मेरा एग्जांपल ये हुआ, ये मान लीजिए स्टोन है और दिस इज स्टोन, सपोज इट, एंड think as suppose this is my hand. So this is my hand, so I will just push it, then it will move here. So how? By external help. Otherwise it can't move, it can't get any other external help. So without any external help, if they can move, then they are known as human beings, or you can say that they are living beings. So you can see here, in some cases the movements of living things are very quite fast. मतलब कि कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है, जैसे we are means running, if we are running, हम लोग भाग रहे हो तो हम लोग तेजी से फ्लाई कर रहे हैं, मीन्स रन कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग का मूवमेंट तेजी से हो रहा है. एंड when we are slowly just walking, then it's slow. Same example, birds are flying then the movement is little fast. Frog is jumping, then it's little fast. You can see your figure. So living things can move. Movement is most important sign of being living, that this picture shows. So now let's come to another point. For example, the movement in most of animals are fast and can be observed easily, but the movements in plants are usually slow. It means to say that movements in plants are very slow because they grow very slowly. क्योंकि जैसे ये है, हम लोग तो we are humans and we just grow very fast, but and you can also think an example that one machine is there So machine is there, it is moving, and but there is one plant. It takes very less time to grow, as when you give water and the other things which is needed. Photosynthesis is the main process for that. So we will learn more about that. So that is only telling in plants it is normally slow, because some animals like dog and cheetah is the fastest animal, so it can move very fast. So that only was saying in the animal and plants move in different ways, so they have different criteria to move. So this will become clear for the following discussion. Animals can move from one place to another, or they can move their body parts. So for example, a frog which was there. So now we come to another topic. So this topic is saying about moves when it jumps into a pond. A bird moves when it flies in the sky. An athlete moves when he runs, and a fish moves when it swims in water. So that only saying. So we come to another topic, means the next paragraph which is going to say. So see here. So the plants are fixed in the soil at a place, so they cannot move like animals from place to place. So it is saying that like animals, plant cannot move because they are fixed in the soil. Soil में fixed किया जाता है, तो it can't move. So but there are some properties that show the movement in the plants. So for example, I will show here what is the sunflower plant example. The plants can move parts of their body, such as leaves, flowers, shoots and roots. So the plant parts are towards a stimulus such as sunlight, gravity or water. Example is there, the shoots, the leaves and the towards the sun so as to face the sunlight. So to face the sunlight, the leaves of Mimosa pudica plant, that is one plant. So the leaves of Mimosa pudica plant, sensitive plant, means where the sun direction comes. See here, you can see nicely that the sun direction is there only it comes and moves. So see here, when the sun is in this direction, then sunflower plant, when sunlight comes from right side. So here you can see like that only. So it is sensitive plant by moving, folding up with figure. So plants also show movement by growing their roots and shoots bigger. So now non-living things which are not alive cannot move themselves. For example, I told you here that when you put a stone and just push, then only they can move, apply the force outside. So all the living things and made up of, so this is the main things you would have been read in class 9th about cell. So that only is saying all the living things, plants and animals are made up of tiny living units called cells. So जो भी plants और animals होते हैं, उन लोग में movement होता है, लेकिन जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स नहीं होते हैं उनमें मूवमेंट नहीं होता. तो बात यहाँ हो रही थी टिनी सेल्स, मीन्स वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज सेल. सो सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ विच is very important or useful for our body, because otherwise if we won't have cell, we were not able to, our body would not have been, our body formation would not have been. Without cell, our body will only not form. So cells themselves are made up of still smaller particles called molecules. Molecules क्या होते हैं? You would have read in chemistry what is molecule. So more and more atoms makes molecule. So mixing of two or more than atoms. So the movement over a very small scale, as those in the molecules of living things, are invisible to the naked eyes. It means you would have not seen cell. You can see cell. Can you see cell? No, you cannot see cell. This means it is not visible by naked eyes. मतलब सिंपल आँख मीन्स आँखों से हम लोग नहीं देख सकते. We will need microscope for that. So the invisible molecular movement is however necessary for the existence of life, but it is very necessary in our body. So viruses do not show. Here is example. Viruses do not show any molecular movement in however necessary for existence of movement in them until they infect some cell. So and this has created controversy about whether they are truly alive or not. So it means viruses दो क्राइटेरिया शो करते हैं, दो प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं, that they are alive also and they are not alive. So here we will know when it show the characteristics. So when they come in the contact of living beings, so they act as so they start acting as they are living beings, and when they are outside or anywhere else, so they do not show the characteristics of living beings. They are at that time they are non-living things. So all the living things which are alive have some common characteristics or features, so which make them different from non-living things. So the characteristics of living things are as follows. Living things can move. So here is saying the characteristics of living things. Living things की क्या characteristics होती हैं? तो living things can move by themselves. Living things अपने आप मूव कर सकते हैं here to there. Simple example, it is a living thing like me or like you. We just walk nicely and we go to there. So like that only it's saying without any support we move to there, from there here to there. So living things need food. They need food, otherwise they will not be alive. So air and water. Living things can grow. Yes, we obviously we grow. Every day we are growing only. So living things can respond to changes around them. So they are sensitive. We are sensitive means we can respond to the changes around them. Simple. If I just simply you know this, that if we got hurt, then our brain just act that we got hurt. So we just feel that we are something different from that time. So we just take the medicines or any other things if we are hurt. जैसे हमें चोट लग गई, हम लोग गिर गए, तो उस समय हम लोग को थोड़ा सा दिक्कत आएगा और तो हमें पता चल जाता है. So we get understood that we are hurted. So that only is saying we are sensitive. So living things can respire, release energy from food. Living things can respire. We respire, take air, so we release from food. So living things can excrete, get rid of waste materials from the body. So living things excrete means rid of waste. Rid means छुटकारा पाना. So here is not छुटकारा. So living things can excrete means here taking out waste materials from the body. Example what to say? So means पसीना जो आया वो waste material है. We excrete that's waste material. So living things can reproduce. They can have young ones. So living things can reproduce. They can have young ones. So now come to the topic. What are life processes? So all the organisms perform some basic functions to keep themselves alive. So the basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life on this earth are called life processes. So the basic life processes common to all the living things are nutrition, respiration, transport and excretion, control and coordination, response to stimuli which I told earlier, growth, movement and reproduction. So these are the things which human beings living things can do. So what was saying definition? So definition means all the organism perform some basic function. Means I or you or anybody else can move from here to there, can do such functions. Means our body can do or you can do. So they keep themselves alive. So the basic functions performed by the living organism to maintain their life on this earth, रहने के लिए, जीने के लिए, खाने के लिए और बाकी जो काम है वो कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइफ प्रोसेसेस. सो The process of nutrition involves the taking of food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which can be absorbed by the body. So breaking down of substances in our body, then only the food get digested. So respiration is the process which releases energy from the food absorbed by the body. So respiration is the process which releases energy from the food absorbed by the body. जो कि बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब हो वही एनर्जी रिलीज करता है. सो ट्रांसपोर्ट इज द प्रोसेस इन विच अ सब्सटेंस एब्जॉर्ब और मेड इन वन पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी इज moved to other part of the body. So excretion is the process which the waste materials produced in the cells of the bodies are removed, which I told earlier. So control and coordination means stimuli response to stimuli is a process which helps to living things to survive in the changing environment around them. The process of growth involves the change from small organism to big organism or adult organism. So we move simple, we were child and then bigger to bigger and we became adult organism, means adult. So in movement the organism either moves from one place to another. We can move from here to there, so remaining at the same place. So the process of reproduction involves the making of more organism from existing ones so that organism could live on this earth. So thanks for this day. So thanks, and for if you want more videos, so tell me, and second part will be there. So from energy needed for the life process and nutrition. So I told here nutrition. And thank you for watching my video. Thanks and have a nice day and subscribe our channel. Thanks.